I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Xbox controller is charged and updated, and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once Bluetooth is active, put the controller into pairing mode by holding the guide and sync buttons until the light flashes. Then, on your phone, open Settings to scan for new devices, pair the controller when it appears. At the same time, open COD Mobile and go to the Controls menu so you can confirm controller input once the connection is established. Once paired at the system level, return to COD Mobile. Make sure the game detects the controller under Controls and enable gamepad support if required. You may need to restart the app to finalize recognition. Next, go to the button mapping section and assign actions to triggers and bumpers. This is important because default mappings can differ. Then tune sensitivity and aim assist settings to match the controller's thumbstick response, because proper tuning reduces overshoot and improves accuracy during. You're nearly done. Jump into a training match and actively test movement, aiming, shooting, and menus to verify every mapped input works as intended. If you notice latency, repeated disconnects, or missing buttons, first unpair and repair the controller, then restart COD Mobile. This fixes most software handshake issues. If problems persist, try a wired connection via an adapter or USB-C cable to eliminate Bluetooth latency. Remember, firmware, app updates, and background apps can interfere. Keep them current to avoid recurring problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.